Over and improper use of natural resources. The over and improper use of natural resources is a growing concern as the world's population and economy continue to grow. Natural resources, such as fossil fuels, water, forests, and minerals, are finite and must be managed sustainably to ensure their availability for future generations. However, many natural resources are being depleted or damaged due to overuse, pollution, and unsustainable practices. This has negative consequences for ecosystems, biodiversity, and human well-being, including increased air and water pollution, soil erosion, and climate change. It is essential to adopt sustainable practices and policies that balance the need for economic development with the need to protect and conserve natural resources for future generations. It's your turn to speak. 1, 2, 3, go!
Great job! Please comment, subscribe to our channel.